Hey y'all, it's Savannah. We're hanging out in our booth here at SEMA 2023 showing off our brand new Jeep kit. Our R&D department has been working hard on it. Let's show you what's inside. Up front, the Jeep kit features our 0 Series component speakers with grills. Moving on to the back, we have two 0 Series 6x9 coaxial speakers with grills for the soundbar. Moving on to the back, we have our fully rotational mold enclosure that houses two 0 Series 12-inch subwoofers. Our Jeep kit is all powered by our Cindy X6 and our Cindy X4 DSP amplifier. What's great about this kit is that it's expandable. Here at SEMA, we have a pair of our Rev 12 HD tower speakers. This is perfect for wherever you're trying to take it off-road, go to the beach, go to your tailgate, go to the Mojave Desert. Go have a great time, but as long as you're rocking with wet sounds, it'll be a great time.